Thong song. I do these chords, so the verse is just 4, 5, 1, all minor chords. So those chords, but at the beginning, just long chords. When you're doing the first verse, B over C sharp here. Then the first, they kind of lifts up for that sort of second half of the verse. So then the chorus, you can just do those chords. If you want to talk about with the bassist, we sometimes just change it up a bit, just for fun, really. But it gives it a bit of a lift. So on the let me see that thong, I go. So that's let me see that on. But so you just make those real first chords kind of.